Hey guys, it's Train over 123 hashtag Trains Rock. It is very, very rainy out here. It's very wet out here at Stewart. We've got train 101 coming. I don't know what's on here. I didn't check the Facebook today, but I will soon. I will when I'll still see what's on board. Ooh, elephant style. 817 and 811. What a nice surprise. That was a nice surprise, seeing an elephant style on train 101 today. 817 and 811. Pouring rain here a little, like 10 minutes ago. Very bad. So bad I had to wait inside the car just to finally wait for the rain to die down to get out here. And I got out here just in time too. The battery's going low, but it's worth it to be out here though, I guess. I'm getting a call from somebody. But it's gonna have to be on hold. They're gonna have to wait. Sorry guys. Whoever's calling me is going to have to wait, because I'm out here, I'm filming this right now. Died down a bit here, so finally we have a returning train car. I think what is this one? Oh, it's a Canadian Pacific one though. Canadian Pacific well car. I've never seen one of those before. The long train this is the long train 101 today. A little longer than usual. And looks like we got some empty. Oh wow, hello, that's some that's not some very appropriate art. Saw like 6 middle fingers on that train car. Wasn't that a lovely sight? Ugh. Sometimes these artists can get a little out of hand. You ask me. Yikes! That was a sound. That was a sound of anything. Probably just a squeaky brake or something, or squeaky wheel maybe, I don't know. was quite a noisy train 101, but we had an elephant style with 817 and 811 going southbound to Miami, and that was quite a sound, I will admit. Anyways, this has been Train Over 123 signing out.